senadores i Tanasis Antetokounmpo. I pel Futbol Club Barcelona, sota les ordres del nostre entrenador, Giorgos Parsocas,
I mean, it's Barcelona, you know. We already know it, you know. It will be a hard game for us, and as we say, we started good, but in second half they destroy us. You know, they play really good. They play together, and they score very easy baskets. You know, 3-2, whatever. You know, the all players play very good today, man. They was amazing. Good luck for them, for SCB. Yes, I mean, he's every game, every lose, he's angry. But you know, today we had very bad game in defensively, and that's why today he was the more angry. So doesn't matter, you know. We still 8 more games. You know, we have very good chance to go in top 8 teams, and we are trying for this, you know. And for sure, he wants also to go top 8 to play playoffs. We are for this, and that's why, you know, we have pressure now too much. I mean, of course, we are thinking to play playoffs. You know, next game we are play at home against Estudiantes, and we have to prepare for this game. And our hope to will win that game. You know, it's because we know it's more important that game for us. I mean, I play for team. I play for the win, and as I always said, it's my for teammate. You know, they are play for me and I play for them. You know, they give me all everything. You know, passes and I make my job. So I'm MVP and I'll continue to play good. We don't know. Maybe next month again. Maybe I don't know. Most important to win the games. We will try.
Un partit que teníem la intenció de competir-lo i que no ha sigut així. Almenys a jugar contra un rival com el Barça, no pots cometre errades que fan que sigui molt fàcil. En primer quart, segon, tenim 3 o 4 situacions de pèrdua de pilota que són safates fàcils, tenim 2 rebots o 3 que els tenim a les mans nosaltres i se'ns en van, i també són 6 punts fàcils de sota l'aro contra un equip com el Barça, tot i que nosaltres estem en aquell moment a marcador, però no li pots donar 12-14 punts com hem fet sense cap mena d'esforç. A partir d'aquí ells han demostrat la qualitat que tenen amb el seu encert amb el llançament. Nosaltres hem tingut un dia, evidentment, en el qual no hem tingut fluïdesa ni hem tingut encert en les situacions de llançament, i també el que no pot ser és l'últim quart que juguem. L'últim quart que juguem, en el qual, tot i que el Barça fa un 10-12 en triple i nosaltres un 0-7, un 0-8, no podem baixar els braços com hem fet i deixar que el Barça ens anoti 39 punts i de la manera que ho fem. Decepció pel partit que hem fet, perquè no he comptat amb tornar a fer un partit com el d'avui, y poca cosa més a dir, felicitar al Barça per la victòria. No, el equipo que está a punto no hace el partido que hicimos la semana pasada. El equipo está bien, no hay que buscar ninguna excusa ni en la preparación, ni porque el equipo está para competir, está entrenando bien, está entrenando duro y creíamos que veníamos preparados, y aquí pues bueno, un poco lo que os he dicho, ¿no? Cuando juegas fuera de casa, y algo que nos está costando mucho de hacer en esta temporada, pues seguramente yo creo que el primer cuarto era un cuarto para habernos ido delante en el marcador, pero esas situaciones de bandejas que le damos a Barça pues hacen que no sea así, y no tenemos la confianza necesaria por fallar en ataque, y eso nos hace y seguramente una décima o 2 décimas tarde en las situaciones defensivas, y Barcelona pues no las castiga con un gran porcentaje en el tiro de 2 y sobre todo con un excelente porcentaje también en el tiro de 3. Es un tema de preparación, es un tema de saber competir cuando juegas fuera de casa, y es algo pues que es una evidencia que no estamos haciendo bien. Sí, no, però és que aviam, estem carregats si no vaig assegut jo avui, Si que tots els jugadors no se'n van asseguts avui, tenim un problema greu. Sí, perquè ens ha afectat massa i hem baixat els braços. No és un equip que faci això volent, però sí que realment avui, a l'últim quart, no hem tingut ni l'energia, ni hem tingut l'actitud, el que vulguis, per jugar aquests 10 últims minuts, tot i que segurament no podíem aixecar el partit o no estàvem amb forces per guanyar el partit, però no podem fer els 10 minuts últims que hem jugat. Això són paraules molt grans. Un partit en el que si desconnectes com hem fet en l'últim quart, el Barça et fa 10 o 12 triples. Això tampoc està a l'alçada de tots els equips, fer un 10 o 12 triples a l'últim quart. Ridícul, molt fàcil parlar de ridícul avui, i la setmana que ve si guanyem o quan venim de guanyar que som els millors. No hem competit bé, hem jugat contra un equip que està una victòria del líder, perquè sembla que veníem aquí a jugar amb Barça i teníem que venir aquí a guanyar sí o sí, però no hem fet el partit que volíem, hem estat bé. Mereixem totes les crítiques que es puguin fer, perquè el nostre partit d'avui ha sigut dolent, molt dolent, però ja està, el partit d'avui. Fa 15 dies també vam jugar un bon mal partit. Dimarts començarem a entrenarem bé per jugar el diumenge en un bon partit i guanyar el partit. Al bàsquet hi ha moltes coses, ni a l'atac ni a la defensa, i avui ens ha faltat una mica de totes. Parlar d'aquests apartats en l'atac i en confiança i ficatius que tindríem que haver ficat és evident, però el Barça ens fa 102 punts. Tots hem de fer de tot. El Giro necessita més ajuda a l'atac i el Giro necessita una pista més sòlida darrere. No ens centrem, i menys un partit com el d'avui, en la figura del Giro, dels tiradors, és un partit en el que hem de sortir tot escaldats perquè és així, és que no hi ha un altre.
I think they will be a serious game. For 40 minutes, it was very important for us after 2 games in this week and the last one Friday night, so we spent a lot of energy in 3 games. So it was very important for where they no matter the play time, to be serious and to follow the game plan. I respect a lot Angora and their coach. Everybody knows that they have great results this year. They compete everywhere. And the score is huge, the difference is huge on the score, but it doesn't mean anything about them. As I said before the game, I was expecting a very serious game, a very difficult game. But I have to accept and give credit to our players because they were serious and they played well for 40 minutes. And now, as always, we need to focus on the next game on against other friends. Yeah, I cannot say that I'm happy about the show of the short time. It's not about this. I think this team needs to be serious and to show stability. This is our concern. This is our priority right now. And whoever is coming from the bench or from the starting lineup has to be ready, knowing his role, and play for the team. Just this. I think we have a good team. I'm happy that I see some of our players right now getting in shape, like Victor Claver, like Stratos. Juanji day by day is going to get better. Musa is helping us a lot, although that we don't have Vitor in this period. And Justin, of course, is important for everybody, to play hard, improve the game, because, as I said, we have a lot of difficult games in front of us in ASOBET, and we need to be ready. We need something like this. This season is so exhausted for the players, but also for the coaches. It's not easy to play so difficult games 3 times per week. We are not used to do this, and we suffer. So wherever you have time to calm down a little bit, even for a few minutes, is a credit for us. I cannot say that I'm surprised, because basically I have to focus on our team, and I don't want to criticize anything about the other team. We lost the first round in Andorra. They play excellent, and not only against us, against many teams who play excellent this year. I remember how they played the Copa del Rey in the game with Real Madrid, with Madrid also away for the ACB in Madrid. So, as I said, expected a very difficult game. You know, we're talking about a team who has patience during the game and they execute until the end, finding good options. They have very good point guard, very good big men and players around them that they can support their game. So I was a little bit surprised, but you know, it's all about the timing. It's not easy for 10 months to play well. Sometimes, you know, teams have ups and downs, and I think it's normal. Especially, they had the habit that the advantage that they prepare the game for 1 week. Sometimes, you know, the long practices, many practices, doesn't help the team so much. Maybe you need 2 games per week, you know, to get ready. You know, it depends on the timing. But as I said, no matter today's result, I respect a lot this team and this coach. You know, it is not about what happened in Madrid. It was something, of course, that I don't feel well about this. You know, I wanted to be with the team until the end. So always, after the games, I'm thinking, I'm criticizing myself, you know, and I'm trying to get better every day. I have to accept that this year is very difficult for us, for our team, you know, for me also. And sometimes I'm so, you know, I express my emotions, sometimes with the wrong way. So I apologize about this, you know, especially to our team. Of course, that many strange things are happening this year with our team, so it's not easy to be calm and quiet, as you know. Always I'm feeling like this, I express my emotions, I externalize what I'm thinking. In some people they like this, some other no, you know. But I cannot change myself. You know, what I'm trying to think is to be supportive to the players and to right now to focus on basketball. You know, to the practices and to the games. We need to play better. The last 2-3 months that we have in front of us, and this is my concern, just to prepare the team for you know, to be competitive in any game until now. From now on, no, not thinking like this. I'm thinking that we have 2-3 months very important in front of us, you know, and we need to improve our game. I just want a little bit, I just wish a little bit luck for us, you know, because we need our players, you know, we never did all together as a team, and it was very difficult for us, especially with this new format of EuroLeague. It's going to be a chapter for sure, if it's going to be a book, you know, it's not I was joking the other time, but there is no reason for me to write a book, you know. My life is not so extraordinary, you know, to write a book, but honestly, I share with my friends what is happening this year in the club, and I really didn't expect things like this. I can say bad luck, many things I can say, but of course, at the end of the season, we're going to have a conclusion. Me personally and all the team, you know, what we have to improve to get better for next year. It's not easy, you know, everybody's focused now to the team. This is normal because we're talking about Barca. A lot of people is caring about our team. And there are few people with a negative way. The most of them, you know, journalists, fans, everybody are caring with a positive way for our team. But there are few persons, few people that they are involved with a negative way. They try to create problems. I don't want to, it's normal, you know, I can accept this. This is my life. I'm trying to overcome this. I don't want to, you know, to be involved in this situation. I'm just trying to do my job right now.